Hi Steve, this is your personal video on the LT 2500 HD. As you can see, it is a diesel motor, not gas. They do come in both. And you have the upgraded tires and rims on this vehicle. It's the Duramax, the Allison transmission. And as you can see, when you get over here on all these options, all of these are additional options on this truck. So with all these options, you're pushing really hard with that LTZ. And it is 4x4, as you can see. And as I mentioned, it does have a bed liner. Has a tinted back window as well. You have the heavy-duty towing. You also have that backup camera. And it also has the backup assists, so it will beep at you. Has a very easy color inside to keep clean. Unfortunately, when dark color is on the outside, it shows everything. When it's the interior, it hides a lot of things. It also has the heavy-duty mats, leather. You also have the option of the armrest back here on the back seat. The seats do go up or down, as you can see. Cup holders. And then we come around here. All your power windows and mirrors, locks. The full equipment gauge information panel for your computer as far as oil, miles, air pressure, your lighting. Right here has to do with your trailering. You have your cruise control on the wheels. You have your Bluetooth and volume station controls also. The adjustable column.